The DeLorean has no radiator drain. It does have a lower radiator hose that is pretty easy to get to. So I bought this from Jegs. It's made of aluminum. It's painted black. The paint has already come off in some areas, but anyway. It comes with this style of drain, which I am not a fan of for a number of reasons. One, that's a tiny little hole. I can't put a hose on there. And two, in my experience, these little wings tend to break off, which makes it very difficult to use. So this is quarter NPT, and I decided to replace the drain valve that came with this unit with a ball type valve. And this will screw into here, and then into the other end, which is also quarter NPT, I'll put a 3/8 hose barb. This will allow me to stick a tube on the end of it to drain it without quite as much mess as the other one. And of course, when it's not in use, I'll put a rubber cap on it.